New purchase. 2018 Little Guy Max. It was a theft recovery, so it has some damages, a little bit, but not as bad as it could have been. Let's see what's inside. So I got this junk, broke the door. So let's look inside. That's some work needed here. I guess just most of it cleaning. Has a weird smell inside. I think it's due to the fridge being full of junk. So we'll see what I can find here. I'll keep you guys posted. Look at that. They even drew something on it. Oh man. It's gonna be a lot of work. A lot of work. Got apartment damage here. Gonna replace the locks. This side looks good. Besides this is broken. Broke this guy and they broke the lock over there. Tires look good. No spare tire. Gotta find a spare tire for it. The bottom looks good except the jacks are broken on all of them. And I gotta replace this guy. But so far it's pretty good. Let me know what you guys think about this purchase. It's a theft recovery. It was been stolen. And this is how it is right now. Also, there's this nasty stuff here. So I gotta clean all this curtains, and most of the curtains are dirty and have to go over them again.
Look at that thing.
Hopefully the bathroom is not full of poop. So take care, guys. Thanks for watching. This is another trailer I bought from the auction. Hopefully it'll be an easy fix. Take care, guys. Bye.